Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history NCERT. First, gather all your required textbooks and supplementary materials. It's crucial to start with the basics, so begin your journey with Class 6 NCERT and gradually progress to Class 12. This sequential approach helps build a strong foundational understanding. Before diving into the content, take time to understand the syllabus and exam pattern. This will guide your focus and highlight important topics. Finally, read each chapter thoroughly, like a story, to grasp the main concepts and historical timelines. Once you've completed your initial read-through, it's time for active engagement. During your second reading, actively highlight key events, significant dates, and important personalities. Don't just reread passively, underline and mark the crucial information. Next, make concise notes, summarizing the important facts and concepts in your own words. Aim for a 1/10 rule. If you read 1,000 words, your notes should be around 100 words. Additionally, create timelines and flowcharts to visualize the chronological order of events, which greatly aids memory. To truly master history, focus on conceptual understanding over mere rote memorization. NCERT are known for their clear explanations, so leverage this to build a strong foundation. Try to connect topics across different chapters and even other subjects to develop a holistic understanding of historical events and their broader context. For instance, link economic concepts to historical developments. Also, pay close attention to the maps, diagrams, and illustrations provided in the textbooks. These visuals can significantly enhance your grasp of geographical and historical concepts. Regular revision is paramount for retaining historical information. Go back to your notes and textbooks periodically, ideally multiple times, to reinforce what you've learned. Don't just reread, actively recall information. Supplement your revision by solving practice questions at the end of chapters and attempting previous year's question papers. This helps test your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. And speaking of fresh, if your car needs a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Consistent practice and revision are key to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.